topic is external links. When we talk about external links, links that takes outside your website, or links that goes to other websites, links that goes to outside your website, takes outside your website, is called external link. Example, say for example, your social links. Social links, you may have your header or your footer of your website, you may have social links on your website, your Facebook page, Twitter page, LinkedIn page. Now it can be fine, that can be your page, but still you are sending traffic to some other page. So that is called as an external links. But having too many external links is not good. External links increases bounce rate. So you know what is bounce rate, right? Now, whenever a person visits a website and he leaves without engaging with the website, he leaves the same page we entered. That is called as bounce. So bounce rate will increase. So people will not spend more time. People are more likely to not to take an action in your website if they're leaving. So maybe your social links, your affiliate links. The good thing in affiliate links, at least you may be chances of making money, but don't put too many external links. Okay, too many links that you takes outside your website. So this is the aspect of external links, because there are tons of examples you can take. Say, let me take an example of, say, let me search for buy, or let me say best smart watches. Okay, search for best smart watches. So I see so many websites ranking T3, Tom Sky, Digital Trends, PC Mac, T3.com. So I'll take this one. Now they have written an in-depth guide on smartwatches. Now, if I just take it out here, can you see view at laptops direct? Can you see there are links here? These are actually our affiliate links, but these are also external links. Can you see view at Amazon? So if I click on this link, maybe they removed the link. Yeah, sorry. So this option was check on Amazon. If I click on check on Amazon, what happens? So you're leaving the website called as t3.com, and now you went to a different website called amazon.in. The good thing is it's an affiliate link, which means you get paid for this link. You may pay if the person buys this product, any of these products, he gets a certain referral fee or commission. That's a different aspect. But as of now, it's an external link. So having more external links is not good for any website. So having more number of external links increases bounce rate and decreases, increases bounce rate and decreases time spent on the site. So the session duration will be very, very low. So make sure guys don't have too many. Even your social links is a distraction. Okay, try to avoid them. Try to put few of them. Okay, let me take an example. Say for example, Backlinko is there. When he is smart, so he doesn't put any social links in the header of his page. Check it out. This is his website. He talks about cutting edge SEO strategies. Now, if you notice, he doesn't put any links here. Can you see he is trying to convert your visitor into an email? Can you see still everyone does that? Building the list is the most important thing. Now, can you see here? No social links. Some people, you know what they do? In the top navigation menu, social links. In the sidebar, social links. In the footer, social links. So they put everything, but can you see he has put at the footer? But still, now it is good because it's put in the footer, because very less number of people visit the footer, but his call to action is in the header. Don't put your social links in the header and all. So it increases your bounce rate. So don't do that. Avoid them. So this is aspect of external links. Let me log into the website and let me explain you how to create an external link. Now coming back guys, just select the text. Say for example, you want to give an external link to some website. Select the text. This option called as link here. Click on this link. So go to this article. Now say for example, I want to give a reference link. I am going to give an external link. Actually, I'm giving a backlink to him. Say I want to give him an article or a reference link where my visitors can read more information about. I can give a link. If someone clicks, it goes to this page. So this is the page, Inc 42. So I'm going to link to this. I'm going to update this. And then I'm going to go to document, permalink. Can you see this link? I'll click on this link and visitors can see that link, hyperlink. Now can you see digital marketing for startups? And if this is an external link, if I click on this link, I go to some other page. So if you want to make it open a new tab, that also you can do. Now what is happening is someone clicks on this link, it's directly loading in the same page. Now you want to open a new tab, you can also do that also. All you have to do is click on this link, click on this edit icon, click on this edit settings, and there open a new tab option is there. You can update this and update the page. So anytime a person clicks on this, I usually do this for all my external links. Whenever someone is giving I am giving an external link to someone, I will make sure they open a new tab, which means they are not leaving my site also, but still they are exploring the other site also. If I click on this, can I see it opened a new tab?
How
Previously,
to
it
do
was
this?
opening the existing page only.
Okay. How to do this? Can you tell
So
me
same
again?
thing, just click on the link,
Okay.
click on edit,
Okay.
click on the settings icon,
Okay.
and make sure you highlight REL is equal,
Open
again
link
open link in a new tab.